I'm Lisa, the artist behind Lachri Fine Art. Today's video was supposed to be the candles with the butterflies that I showed you, that I started on last week's tutorial, but like I said in yesterday's video, my computer and I got into a huge fight and now parts have to be replaced. So today's video I processed on my laptop, which does not like to process video at all, so I went with a really short painting. I did this about a year ago. Very short, very quick painting that I did for a little art show locally. This is done with acrylic paint and airbrushing. Again, I'm so sorry for not having the video that I promised would be this week, but it will be here next week. My hard drive on the computer is fine. The information is stored there. I just don't have access to it right now. I have new video critiques every Tuesday, except for yesterday. So sad. My own speed paintings, drawings, and tutorials every Wednesdays, and vlogs most weekends. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, all of those social media sites. Links below in the video description to keep up with news and my newest work. And for those of you who keep saying that you want to see real-time video, I have been uploading short, just a couple minute clips on Facebook and Instagram. So if you're following me on those pages, you'll be able to see some of that. I'll see you guys in a few days, hopefully with a working computer. Bye.